How's it going, YouTube? Got the Xtm Xt2e out. Show you guys it's zeroed out. I hope you guys see that. We're gonna go ahead and start it. Hopefully this road stay clear for a little bit. We got 80 on that pass. Nothing major. Still testing and tuning. She went straight. So far so good. Shout out to all my subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Had to just get this out and run it. It's been a while. So it's been doing good so far. I got the car pass. I got the new speed controller in there. I just want to see how it hold up. So hopefully we get better luck on the next run. Thank you guys for tuning in.